Why you barking? Well, why you barking though? What do you want? Look at that face. You're so cute. Why are you so cute though? Say hi to everybody. Or you could leave. That's fine too. Are you mad because you got a shower? You mad, bro? Yeah, I understand. Are we still friends or do you hate me? Oh, we're still friends. Okay. Okay, baby. I love you. I love you, baby bird. But you need a shower sometimes because you're dirty. There he is. Hi, Titus. He's a good boy. You are a bird. Hi, kittens. Hey, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You're so sweet. Isn't it nice outside? I wish I could get you a big aviary. That would be nice. Hungry cat? Are you a hungry kitten? You want to go inside and eat? It's the only time she's nice to me and lets me pet her. Is when she's hungry. Otherwise, she's a wild animal. Are you a wild animal when you're not hungry? You just kind of put up with me, huh? My gosh, you're almost dry. Look at that. Look at that. You're almost dry. That didn't take long. It's still a little bit wet. Not too bad. La la la. I taught him the good, the bad, and the ugly theme song. I don't know why that, of all things, but he picked it up pretty good. Get some fresh air. Wish you weren't so neurotic about it. Freaking weirdo. Titus! I love you! And there's this bitch. Oh!
Titus!
He's over there. He's alright. No birds out. No big birds out. Yeah. Oh! What do you want, bitch? You want fed. I get it. I get it. We're gonna go in here in a minute. I'll go wait for Phoenix to dry. You're standing on me. Yeah, I get it. Okay, but get your butt out of my face. Thanks. Look at you! What do you think? Get some sunshine. Can't be locked up in the house all the time. Boring. We gotta get some sunshine. It's getting hot, huh? You're almost dry. Yeah, pretty boy. Kisses? Yeah, baby. You about ready to go inside? Titus is over there. He's fine. We gotta take advantage of the summer while it lasts, buddy. Pretty soon it's gonna be over and we can't go outside anymore. Well, you can't. It'll be too cold for you. Yeah. Then what? I don't know. All right, come on, Titus. We're gonna go inside, Titus. He's such a good listener. Titus. Here he comes. You ready, buddy? You ready to go in? Probably not. You ready to go? Oh, okay. All right, come on, guys. Everybody inside. Hey, are you happy now? Are you happy? Are you a happy boy now? You're inside, baby? Yeah? Yeah. I have tried to get this cat to eat good food. She won't do it, but I am going to start giving her supplements. I started already. I'm gonna give her this one today, which is for urinary tract health. And I'm gonna give her this one, which is hip and joint, because she is technically a senior cat now, but I don't really want to talk about that. A little sprinkle, sprinkle. Why are you not sprinkling? Oh shit, it's a lot. Oh well, she'll eat it. Probably give you 2 cans to hide that flavor. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Yeah, we're gonna need to get another can. Oh, Otis, she's so ready. You like it? Now Titus is jealous. All right, Titus, you're next. You might be asking, if you're still here, why are you feeding them on plates? Well, that's because when you feed them on something like this with sides, it can cause something known as whisker stress. And especially for cats, they get really stressed out physically by eating out of something with a raised side. So a lot of the time, the cat always gets plates. Usually Titus gets plates too. Today Titus is going to eat this. Yes, for my raw feeders out there, I am trying to get him to eat raw, but it's a struggle. And I even cook for him, and that's a struggle. Basically, feeding this dog is a struggle. Yeah, I know. Tell them, Phoenix. Tell them all the things you've seen. Titus, yours is coming. Okay, so today Titus is going to get the raw. Wait, are they all raw Vita? Yeah, this is the raw Vita Boost, and I'm gonna give him a hip and joint. We know this comes out fast, so we need to be careful. What are you saying? What are you saying, though? Freak. Don't just pick out the good stuff. I know what you're doing. Phoenix, you want to end this video? I'm going to say, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. What do you think? Yeah, that's what I thought. Where you going? Where you going, though? You watching Titus eat? Rude. What are you doing? You want to swing? Hey.
Okay, guys. Thanks. Bye.